My daughter said it's too light for me.
This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul on my true collective ball. Famous, also famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in, yeah, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it, and I never.
Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Come on in here and sit down, because I'm going to spill the tea on Outre's LAUREL and any of these units that have that fake scalp. So y'all going to want to hear this. First of all, this is a non-sponsored video. I did buy her with my own coins. So, this is what she looks like. Her name is LAUREL. She's a 13 by 6. And I got her in the color chocolate. Can you guys see that? Chocolate cream. She has the HD lace. These are the other special colors that she comes in. She comes in a lot of special colors. That's like what, 7? So yeah, I got the chocolate cream, but you got the ginger brown, creamy mocha, golden amber, red velvet, Cajun spice, which I do have a Cajun spice unit from Outre, and champagne fizz. Okay, now that we got her out of the way, like I said in my other videos, I'm going to be excuse me, I'm going to be wearing these units for a while and then come on camera and tell you what I think of it. I'm no longer going to do the fresh out the box, because I've noticed fresh out the box isn't always 2 days later fresh out the box. So what I decided to do was my wig reviews. I'm going to wear them. I'm going to lay them down, slay and lay them. And then I'm going to come on camera, tell you guys what I think about her. If she's worth your coins. Should you go out and get her? Should you buy her? Should you invest? Inquiring minds want to know. Things that make you go, So, first and foremost, I don't know if it's in here. Yes. The fake scalp, y'all. You see that? The fake scalp. Now, Outre, what were y'all doing? What was y'all thinking? Why would you put a fake scalp in there? We have so many ways to tint lace now where we don't need a fake scalp. Not like that, where you can see that little line of demarcation across the front. What were you thinking? Anyway, I'm going to get back into LAUREL. I like her. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I like her. I don't love her. I like her. I don't love her. Okay, so the fake scalp. There's a line of demarcation right here in the front if you keep the fake scalp in. So what I decided to do, I found where they sewed it to the lace and got a little pair of scissors and clip, 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 clip. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, I'm saving the lace. I'm saving the hair. And to my surprise, they actually sew the hair to the fake scalp. So, you guys have two options. You can either leave the fake scalp in and somehow try to blend it. If you're lighter than me, maybe you can get away with just trying to blend. Or you have a second option. Cut it out. Cut it out. I cut it out. I'm going to tell you what happened after I cut it out. But I cut it out and I used my Ebon tint spray. I used my top knot sealer from Walker. What is it? Walker tape? Yeah, Walker tape. I used my hair. This is a go-to right here. Every time I wear a unit, I don't even care. Like, especially if it's HD lace, I use this. But I don't care. I use it anyway because this last shade in here is my color. That's my straight up color. So what I do is I just put it right around the edges. You can't even see. I'm sorry, something happened to my camera. It kind of died on me or something. But you can't see where I put anything at because I melted this unit down to my head. I'm so proud of myself. I really am. You know, even with them little baby hairs up there, you know, Outre. Okay, now I know there are some ladies out there that love long wigs. That's not me. And I'm tall. I say this in almost all my videos. I'm 6'2". So I have some height on me. I'm all legs and breasts. No, seriously. But I can't get with this hair. I'm okay, like I just said, I'm 6'2", but look, y'all. It goes below my boobs. It goes below my boobs. So if I'm 6'2", and if it goes below my boobs, this is some long hair, which means it's gonna tangle, which means it's gonna get matted, which means it's gonna get poofy when you comb it out when it gets older. So would I waste my money on this unit, y'all? I won't get another one. I won't. I love Outre, don't get me wrong. I've reviewed so many, and as you can see back there, I have so many more to review. But this one, and then my daughter gonna tell me it's too light. She's like, "Ma, it's too light for you. You need to." She said she liked Geneva and the chocolate swirl, but she said she wasn't feeling this on me. She said it was too light. Hurt my feelings. What y'all think though, y'all? Let me know in the comments if you think this is too light for me. I'm gonna turn my my vanity light off so you can get the true color. Okay, do you think it's too light? What do you guys think? My daughter told me it was too light for me, and then she wanted to take a picture with me. So I'm like, oh, my hair is too light, but you want to take a picture with me. Anyway, I could just keep going on and on and on and rambling, but I'm not going to do that to y'all. She sheds like crazy. Because once you cut the hair, once you cut the fake scalp out, the hair is sewed to that fake scalp. So when you cut the fake scalp, you're cutting the hair too. So then when you brush, you get number hair. I got so many clumps of hair. It was ridiculous. I'm surprised it still has as much hair as it does. But I also wouldn't be surprised if I ran my fingers through her and still, yeah, y'all see that? Still getting tangling. So don't waste your money on her. If you get her for like a special occasion and then put her away. Wear her one day and then put her away. You know, and bring her out again for one day and then put her away. You know, some of these units, that's all you got to do. Some of them you can glue down and sleep in. I do. I'm guilty. Some of them you can't. And this is when you can't. So when I go to bed tonight, this will not be on my hair. This beautiful face right here will not even be. Because this hair is going bye-bye. Bye-bye. So, don't waste your money. Don't waste your money. Please. For my divas that like long hair, I'm not mad at you. But no, it's going to shed. I had to take my necklace off because I have a necklace that matches my earrings because the hair kept getting tangled up in my necklace. And I'm still pulling, ow, what is that? And it was just hair and oh my, ugh. I just don't like long hair. Not this long. I mean, now if it was like hair, that's a perfect length. But look at all this you got after that. Oh my goodness, all this hair just... Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get out of here. I don't know what's going on camera. I talked for so long, it didn't just shuts off on me. And it just did it again. So, anyway, let me get out of here. But this camera cuts off on me again and I can't finish this video. That is my pet peeve now, when I cannot finish a video and get it out. That is so frustrating. You guys, if you feel me, let me know in the comments and tell me what you do. What do you do when you can't finish the videos? Or when you download a video and you go and try to play it and just don't look the way you thought it did. And you're like, whoa, I'm not putting that on YouTube. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I always say that. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm not going to say, ooh, buy her, she's this. Ooh, buy her, she's that. No, I don't care if somebody's paying me or not. I'm going to tell you the truth. Because times is hard. And those coins that we spending on these synthetic units, if they gotta look like this and with the fake scalp, and why? I'm not going to. So yeah, let's get out of here. She's not a buy again for me. She's pretty. My daughter says she's too light for me, so maybe I should have got it in a different color. Maybe I would have liked it better. No, I don't think so, because it's just too long. But anyway, did you guys subscribe? Did you push that button? Did you push that button? Subscribe to my channel. If you like my content, I'm not going to just say subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. No, if you like my content, if you like my videos, if you like my hauls, then subscribe. But I'm going to get out of here. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another one.